Did you know your body has its own built-in doctor? One that works 24/7, heals wounds, fights fevers, and restores energy, without you even realizing it. In Unani medicine, we call this natural healing power as Tabiyat. Hi, I'm Dr. Adiba and welcome to Unani Secrets of Healing, where we learn how ancient Unani wisdom helps us stay balanced and healthy in the modern world. What is Unani medicine? Unani medicine is one of the oldest systems of healing. It started in ancient Greece with Hippocrates, the father of medicine, and was later refined by great scholars like Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna. When it reached India, Unani beautifully blended with local traditions and herbs, and that's how it became a complete, practical system for natural health. Unani looks at the whole person, your body, mind, and surroundings, not just the disease. It teaches that when your inner balance is disturbed, illness appears, and when balance is restored, healing happens naturally. The principle of balance, according to Unani, everything in your body is made up of four basic elements: earth, water, air, and fire. These form the four humors: dam, blood, balgam, phlegm, safra, yellow bile, soda, black bile. When these humors are balanced, you feel healthy, active, and peaceful. But when one of them increases or decreases, your tabiyat struggles, and that's when you start feeling unwell. So what is tabiyat exactly? Think of it as your body's natural healing force, your own inner doctor. When you catch a cold and recover, when a wound heals, when your fever rises to fight infection, that's your tabiyat working for you. In Unani, the doctor's role is not to cure the patient, but to support the tabiyat, to make it stronger so the body can heal itself. That's what makes Unani so special, it respects the intelligence of the body. Unani explains that your body works through three amazing powers, known as Quwwat. The first is Quwwat-e-Hayawaniya, the vital power. It keeps your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and your organs alive. The second is Quwwat-e-Tabaya, the natural power. It looks after digestion, nutrition, and growth. And the third is Quwwat-e-Nafsaniya, the psychic power. It controls your thoughts, emotions, and movements. Together, these powers keep your tabiyat strong and your body balanced. Now, how do we keep our tabiyat healthy every day? Unani gives us 6 golden rules, known as Asbab-e-Sitta Zaruriya, or the 6 essentials of life. Air. Breathe fresh, clean air. Poor ventilation can directly affect your energy and mood. Food or drink. Eat in moderation, and according to your body's temperament. Not everyone needs the same diet. Physical activity or rest. Move your body but also give it time to rest. Both excess and laziness harm balance. Mental activity or rest, keep your mind calm. Emotions like anger or anxiety can disturb your humors. Sleep or wakefulness, sleep is when your body repairs itself. Too little or too much can weaken tabiyat. Elimination or retention, your body must remove waste regularly, through urine, stool, sweat. Constipation or suppression can cause disease. These 6 essentials are your daily medicine. When they're balanced, your tabiyat stays powerful, and you rarely fall sick. When we ignore these 6 essentials, eating wrong food, sleeping late, staying stressed, our tabiyat weakens. That's when the humors get disturbed, and slowly disease appears. Unani treatment doesn't just suppress the symptom, it works to bring back balance, physically and emotionally. Unani healing happens through 4 main ways. Ilaj bil Ghiza, healing through diet and nutrition. Ilaj bil Tabir, regimental therapy, like massage, hijama, cupping, exercise, and detox. Ilaj bil Dawa, herbal medicines that strengthen tabiyat. Ilaj bil Yad, surgery, when necessary. Each method focuses on one goal, helping your tabiyat regain strength. So remember, you already have a healer inside you. Your job is to support it with the right air, food, sleep, movement, and emotions. When you live in harmony with these 6 essentials, your body, mind, and soul all stay in balance. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how Unani helps with common problems like hormonal imbalance, digestion, and stress, using the same ancient wisdom. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Unani Secrets of Healing with me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay balanced, stay natural.